giant grocery haul. I don't even know if this is all gonna fit.
Well, now, if any reason I'm working so hard, get into a full, I think every other 5 people who there'll be a lot of butchers. These guys, they're gonna do it all long. If people are like, a year or more. And he's gonna be betting on this. A working age. But it is. You gotta do, but like, I guess in front of me on a piece of paper. All women enjoy those out. I could eat off and make them their animal. Right now, chops, or back to work.
I'm really excited to try these. Trying to lose a little bit of weight, so I got these zucchini garlic parm fries. They look so good. Back in. Accidentally ripped my salmon open. I got a bunch of these Lean Cuisine dinner things. I got like this beef and broccoli one, a pizza one, this pesto veggie one, and a macaroni and cheese one. My husband got these and they look so good. Excited to try these. My mom gets them and they're supposed to be like really high protein. This is another protein thing I got. I've seen this before and I've always wanted to try it, but this is Killer Bread. It has only 60 calories per slice. So I also got the Dave's plain bagels too. These have 10 grams of protein. Next thing I'm trying is this protein cereal. It's called Catalina Crunch. I've never heard of it before, but it also has 10 grams of protein. I got Quest protein chips, which I've actually tried before. I do really like these, but I have not tried the ranch ones. I saw a recipe on TikTok that's like a chicken gnocchi thing, and I'm so excited to make it. Let's do the kids' snack drawer.